Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Well, we're going to do a little different show than we typically do. I made a little trip here about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks ago, and made a trip up to Lufkin, Texas, where I was greeted with a morning low of 38 degrees and frost on all the vehicles. But the great part is I was able to go by the factory for Easy Lift Cargo Lift. And we've talked to Anthony before. You've seen some of their product down here. In fact, a lot of their product down here. It's probably the number one Easy Lift or the number one cargo lift on Bolivar Peninsula, and I think throughout much of Texas when it comes to beach house lifts. But we were able to meet at the factory there, talk about some new things that they've come up with, and let you see how this Texas-made product is made in Lufkin, Texas, brought down here and installed in maybe your house. So listen in to Anthony as we talked at the factory. Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live, and we're not at the beach. We're not on the dock of the bay. We're actually in Lufkin, Texas, and I'm here with Anthony with Easy Lift Cargo Lift. We're at where it all starts, the manufacturing facility. Not only do they manufacture their lifts, they also install them, repair them, and create other things that make them even better. So, Anthony, we were up here 2 years ago, and when I walked in, your welder said, man, the shop's changed. You got to take a look around.
Yeah.
And you and I got to talking about how it's changed. And some of it's just little tables here and there, but let's talk about how the lift has changed and how it's improved and evolved over the last couple years.
With the last couple years, spending a lot of time at the beach, meeting with people, working on them, we've come up with some ways to make them quieter. We've come up with some ways, safety features that everybody's always asked for. We've worked locally with an electrician. He's designed several interlocks, magnets, safety switches, and everything. We've had very good luck with them the last 2 years, and we're in full swing with them, and they're available for anybody now.
And for those that like doing stuff themselves, you even have a do-it-yourself kit, don't you?
Yes, sir. You call the 800 number, and there's I think you press 2 for Terry. He's been doing them, installing them, and everything for years. He worked with Claude when he got started, and he I let him overtake that, and he has all the information, instructions, and he's waiting. If you have any questions during installation, you can call him, and he'll give you a hand over the phone.
Real quick, these are cargo lifts.
Yes.
But they still need safety features.
Yeah,
Let's talk about your safety features.
We've upgraded the brake system. We haven't changed anything on it design-wise, but the engineer said aluminum on aluminum would grab better than the rubber pad. So If you've noticed, ours don't have the rubber pad on them anymore. So as long as the engineer was correct, then
I'm sure it is. What about gates and switches and stuff?
Yeah, we've got some switches now that are wireless, so there's no wires hanging. At the beach, the wind blows, and it's one less thing to get hung up. We've got them now where the gates got to be closed for them to run. We've got magnets that hold the deck gates closed if the lift's not in the home position to keep anybody from just walking up and opening the gate.
Right.
And all of those are available. It's just an add-on from the standard lift.
For the basic lift. Is there a price for the basic lift? Or does it depend on height and everything? Everything's different?
Everything depends on height, and there's so many custom applications. The houses are getting taller, so we're having to adapt.
Let's talk about houses real quick. A lot of homes have double decks.
Yeah.
Can you have it stop at both decks now?
We're able to go up 38 feet, and we can have up to 3 stops now.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
So you could have 3 decks. Oh, is that including the ground?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the ground and 2 more decks?
Yes, sir. It'll stop automatically at each floor now, and it's a 3-second delay, just like the standard lift is before you can change from up to down.
Great, great. You've been seeing some video from around here, and you know, when I say they make them here, they get the raw stock in, they cut everything to length. They actually have a shop down the road where they make some of the other parts and pins and stuff. They even have motor covers. One of your guys was showing me the new motor covers.
Yeah, we've had a problem with the motors flipping up, catching water, and with the last hurricane, that 90-mile-an-hour sideways rain.
Right.
There's nothing we can do about it, but we've got a 3D printer now, and we're starting to 3D print
Some motor covers.
Motor covers, and that's going to help tremendously and look a lot better than the previous. We say just throw a bucket over it.
Yeah.
I mean, and they're going to be affordable, and we're going to do our best just to keep every lift going and running. So.
Great. If people want some more information, what's y'all's website?
You could always find us at www.beachhouselifts.com. Obviously, the 800 number. I do my best to answer every phone call. Every single call goes through me, and then I delegate it out to the
if you don't answer, just leave a message and you'll get back to
Yeah, please leave a message, and always text now. If you text, you can text the 936-707-3071. And that sometimes will get an answer quicker if I don't get you on the 800 number.
Great, great. And they not only install, they also do maintenance on their lifts. If you have a question about cables, how often probably should someone come over and take a look at it? Once a year?
Yeah, it's once a year. The worst thing for these is to sit idle.
Right.
So if you go to your house, run it up and down a couple times.
Okay.
If you notice any weird noise or it's doing something, just give us a call and bear with us. We're busier than we've ever been.
Great, great. Well, that's because of the quality and what kind of service they give. I know very seldom do you not see one of those blue stickers on a lift down there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I know Kathy that, helps me, has talked highly on it. So, well, we're going to head on out. Remember, if you need an easy way to get your product, your bags, your groceries, anything up to the second or third level, it's Easy Lift Cargo Lift. Well, I hope you enjoyed the show. It was great getting off Bolivar. Don't like to be gone too long. A little cool up there. Had some great food, saw some great scenery, and saw an awesome factory. You could tell from the video that it's clean, it's first class, and everything's made there or within a half mile of that factory. So anyway, if you're looking for a cargo lift, looking for one that I stand behind, Easy Lift stands behind, and a lot of people believe in, make sure you look them up online at beachhouselifts.com. We're going to head on out. Thank you, Easy Lift, for inviting us up and showing us around the factory. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye.